Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Eitherway token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Eitherway is a cryptocurrency project focused on building the deploying practical applications reportedly developed by a team with experience at major tech firms and endorsed within a Solana ecosystem. App-centric development. The project distinguishes itself by focusing on launching actual apps by drive utility and contrasting with projects centered solely on AI agents or speculation. Ecosystem backing. The project has garnered endorsements from a key players within the Solana ecosystem, which can be crucial for integration and early adoption. Etherway token total supply is 99.99 million and circulating supply is also 99.99 million Ether token. Ether token is listed on Meta or Avidity and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you in this project, up to 60% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.